Hello everyone, do you know that you can create a fresh YouTube channel, start uploading videos and making money from YouTube? Yes, even you are a screen reader user, you can manage all the things on your own. Hi, this is Ratul from Accessible Computing and we are going to start a new video series where we will teach you step by step how you can create a new YouTube channel, how you can customize your channel, how you can upload videos, add titles, descriptions, tags, playlists, hashtags, and much more. So, if you want to start your YouTube creator journey, don't forget to watch this video series completely. In this video, we will learn how to create a new channel. There are two types of channels. One is personal, another is called brand channel. We will learn how to create a brand channel. Now, why brand channel? Because brand channel has some extra features. Like you can give the access to other users to manage your channel. You can add custom thumbnails. You can add custom users, and it will also help you to distinguish between your personal use and the professional use. So this is why you need to create a brand channel. Now if you just have a Google account, then you must have a YouTube channel which you use to watch YouTube videos and comments. But now you will be creating another channel which you will use only for your creating purpose or where you are working as a creator. I am going to show you how to create YouTube channel using computer, but you can also follow the same steps if you are using an Android device. Now move on to the steps. The first step is open your browser. I'm using Google Chrome.
Taskbar, new tab, Google Chrome, toolbar, address and
Now here I'm typing youtube.com.
selection removed.
I'm pressing enter
YouTube.com selected.
and it will take me to this page.
64 YouTube memory usage -100.
Okay, now here I am pressing down the row until I find account option. You can also use B because it is a button.
Click a visit in, click search blank button search, click clickable button create, clickable button notification blank, clickable menu button sub menu account menu.
Press enter here.
Blank.
If you're using an Android device, you need to double tap here. Now I'm pressing down the row until I find settings.
Add a visited clickable link switch account, clickable links, clickable visited link YouTube, clickable link purchases, clickable link your data and appearance, the clickable link language, link British English, clickable link restricted, clickable link location, link India, clickable link keyboard short, clickable visited link settings.
Press enter.
Link visited 64 YouTube document blank banner landmark clickable account menu buttons.
Now the settings opened. From this settings page, we need to find out add or manage channel. To find this, I'm using down the row key.
No next head main landmark settings. Clickable visited link account. Clickable link notification. Clickable link playback. Clickable link download. Clickable link private. Clickable link connected app. Clickable link billing and clickable link advanced account. Choose how you appear and what you see on YouTube.
So this is your appearance.
Signed in as info your YouTube channel. This is your public presence on videos or create playlists. Your channel. Link your channel. Accessible computing. Link channel status and features. Visited link add or manage your channel. S.
So this is the channel. Now I'm pressing enter here.
Busy https://www.youtube.com/
and it will open this page.
64 YouTube.
Now in this page, you need to find a create channel link. To find this, you can use your navigation keys.
Clickable main landmark all channels. Clickable visited link create a channel.
Create a channel, and below that you will find all of your created channels. As we have two channels, one is Accessible Computing official main channel, another is our shorts channel. So we can find all the channels here. We will discuss more about these sections in our latest episodes of this series.
Clickable visited link. Create a channel.
So I'm pressing enter here. Once you press enter here, it will open a new tab or a fresh new page.
Add channel name. Edit blank.
Now it will open like a Google account, which will be associated with the main Gmail account from which you are accessing your YouTube. Let's say I'm using our official email ID, which is info.accessiblecomputing@gmail.com, and this is our main Gmail account. But whenever I'm going to create a new channel, a new brand Google account will be created, which is under this email ID. There will be no separate email ID, but there is a separate Google account or brand account will be created. This is how brand account works. If you want to know more, you can search on Google or you can type below into the comment section. We will create another video or making any post to let you know about this. To create a channel, first you need to give a name. When you press enter here, your focus is
Add channel name. Edit focused blank.
add channel name. So here you need to give the channel name. As we are going to start our Hindi version of this channel, so we will create a channel for our Hindi videos. So let me type the name.
Accept. Compute. Left. Hindi. Right blank. Accessible computing. Hindi. ACCSSIBLE space COMPUTING space left parent HINDI right parent blank.
Okay, so this is our channel. Now below that you will find a checkbox. I'm pressing down the row.
28/100. I understand that I am creating a new Google account with search and watch history. Checkbox not checked.
So I'm
Check,
checking this
check.
box checked and
Button cancel.
cancel and then
Button create.
so just press enter on create. Now your channel will be created.
Google accounts. Button collapse. Google apps. Button Google account.
See.
Link Google. Graphic Google my business. My business. Sorry, this name is restricted. Try again.
Okay, so this name is restricted. Why it is restricted, I don't know. Let me try again.
List with 7 items. Copyright 2023. Go out of list. Sorry, this Google account stock blank. Blank blank. Channel name. Add channel name. Edit. Accept. Compute. Accessible computing Hindi.
Okay, I'm choosing this. Next,
Cancel button. Create button.
click on create. Let's see.
Redirecting https://accounts.google.com/b/1/plus page sign up.
Okay,
Busy https://www.youtube.com/channel/ucnzf.
okay. So you cannot use any specialized symbols like left paren, right paren. I used that, so that's why the channel was not created. But right now the channel is created, I hope. Now how you can manage your channel or how you can check whether your channel is created or not. For that I am taking a new tab.
New tab.
Here I am typing studio.youtube.com. This is the address which you need mostly to upload videos and manage your channel. Let me type
UTIO and select studio. Selection room.
and press enter.
Channel dashboard. YouTube studio. Clickable. Banner landmark button. Collect blank.
Now here I am using down arrow.
Ban click buttons. Clickable. Search a blank. Click a button. Create. Clickable menu button. Sub menu. A navigation landmark. Graphic. Your channel. List with 9 items. Bullet. Audio graphic.
Okay,
Blank.
so here you can switch your accounts. To switch your accounts, first you need to click
Task skip navigation. Clickable help button. Create button. Clickable account menu.
account menu. I'm pressing enter.
Clickable link YouTube.
Now find
Clickable link switch account.
switch account. Click here. Once you click here, your all channels and the email IDs are showing.
Click 20 clickable audio innovation. Once clickable rattle bass 37 subs other info.accessibly clickable accessible no channel. Clickable accessible computing Hindi.
Yes, this is the channel. Now I'm pressing enter here.
Accessible. Clickable welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is personalized insight.
Okay, so this is some welcome dialog.
Button continue.
Click on continue.
Channel dashboard. YouTube Studio. Clickable.
Okay, so this is how you can easily create your channel. That's it for today. In the next video, we will see how you can verify your channel, because without verification, you cannot upload videos more than 15 minutes and use custom thumbnails. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you.